Designed by Salmela architect, Deloia House in Minnesota is dotted with geometric skylights. The first volume to the left of the main entrance is accessed by a stone pathway crossing the front lawn. It houses a two-car garage. Glazed hallways connect the three distinct volumes of the house. The architects created two courtyards nestled between the enclosed areas, each with different climate characteristics. One courtyard faces the front of the house, sheltered from the strong winds that sometimes hit the site. The other faces east towards Lake Superior and is built around a white masonry fireplace. The glazed hallway that separates them allows for an uninterrupted sightline from the front entrance to the lake beyond. Separating each of these courtyards allows the residents to use them in a variety of conditions. The distinctive microclimates of each courtyard provide ample opportunities for spending time outdoors despite the region's dynamic weather. When the design process was well underway, the owners discovered a wooden pavilion handcrafted by the owner years earlier during a timber framing class at a folk school, but it was never assembled at their previous home. The architects incorporated this into the home's expansive backyard as a counterpoint to the orthogonal massing. The 2,800 square foot home is clad in wooden planks painted black and white. The deep, slender eaves of the flat roofs serve the dual function of controlling light levels and passive heat gain in the summer, while also protecting the painted wood siding from rain and snow. The house's layout was divided into daytime and nighttime areas. The kitchen, dining room, and entertainment spaces are located in the larger volume to the north, across from the home's 3 bedrooms, which are grouped together. Three cubes protrude from the roof above the open-concept kitchen, living and dining area. Glazed on 2 sides, they bring natural light into the space and can also be opened to provide natural ventilation. Large window openings frame multiple views, and square ventilating units and clearstories offer a very functional combination of passive and active ventilation, ensuring healthy air quality throughout the year. Another skylight is located above the hallway that separates the bedrooms. The clear-story light boxes playfully draw additional light into the center of the house. The forgotten wooden pavilion became an appropriate counterpoint to the house. The discovery and re-emergence of this structure were a thrill for both the family and the architect. And this summer, the couple's daughter was married under the pavilion's cover.